guys, it's me, Brandi, and I don't do this very often, but I'm gonna open my Boxycharm with you guys. I actually just canceled. I just canceled my Boxycharm just because they are starting to resend a lot of the same stuff that I already got before. So I'm kind of just like, eh. So let's see, it comes with this little card, and it looks like I got version number 23, and this is just a regular Boxycharm. So I get a coupon for 25% off, and let's see, it's valid until December 25th. So we'll see if I use it. I may or may not use it. We'll see. So first up in my box, I got this Milk Makeup Mascara, which I am excited to use, and I will use it. I'm a big mascara person. Let's see, this is, I don't know what color it is in, but it's just black, it says. So, and that retails for $24. That's upside down. $24. And then next we have this Yensa, which I have used something by Yensa before that we got in a Boxycharm, and this retails for $45, and it is a waterproof, or no, sorry, 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. So this is a good sized bottle. So I don't know, it has a cap on it, but the other thing that I had that was Yensa, I did like it. So cool. Cool. I'll use that. I don't know if I said it, but that's $45. And then I got some Farsali serum, which it's called Quench. It's a serum that helps to replenish moisture in the skin by using a unique complex of low and high molecule weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with hydrating provitamin 85, skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. So this is 1 ounce, and I actually do like Farsali, so that is what that looks like. And I will use it when I'm done with my other face stuff. So we got 2 eye brushes from Moda. It looks like there is a flat, oh, that Farsali is $24, just so you know. And then I can always use more eye brushes. And I like Moda brushes a lot, actually. So this is a crease brush. And then this is called, what is this called? Triad Eye. And this says, define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes, specially designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity. So these retail for $15. I do like Moda brushes. They're actually, I don't know if I would say they're my favorite brushes, but I do like them a ton. So the last thing I got is this Natasha Denona palette, and it's the Peak palette. This kind of like janky packaging though, huh? I don't think I've ever seen Natasha Denona come in a weird package like this, but okay. These colors are nice. So I'll have to use, maybe I'll just swatch these really quick. So the first color is Aya. The second color is Jasper. The third color is Thorn. Well, that didn't swatch very well. And the fourth color is Amhara. And then the very last color is called Shine. So that is what those look like. It's a pretty palette. It's not, I mean, I have other Natasha Denona palettes, so I am excited for those people that haven't been able to get a Natasha Denona palette. This will be a way for them to try them. So this says a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy mattes and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. So I own the Sunrise palette, and I own some of, I want to say I own some of the Biba and Safari, but not all. So I might actually own some of these shades, just because I have one palette that is like a mixture of Natasha Denona palettes. Okay, so let's see what that total comes out to. So let's see, $48 for the Natasha Denona palette. The Farsali was $24. The mascara was $24. The pumpkin turmeric mask for Yensa Beauty is $45. And the brush set was $15. And that comes out to $156. I paid $25 for my box, so that is the retail value. I got 100, and I probably, to be honest, I wouldn't normally buy these things, but I could see myself, and I may not even buy the Natasha Denona palette, but I could see myself purchasing the brushes, and I could see myself purchasing the mascara. So between the mascara and the brushes, I would say that it is worth it, because just the mascara alone, the box is paid for. So that is all that I've got for you today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Please do me a favor and like this video down below. Leave a comment if you could, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then if you'd like to see more makeup content from me, go on over to Instagram at Brandi Wine 13, and you can see more looks there. Thank you all. Have a great night.